Hello all student, welcome my YouTube channel. Contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for all whole book, Excel whole book, Word whole book, PowerPoint whole book and Access whole book and whole semester. And my WhatsApp number and WhatsApp link given in video description box. So contact me my WhatsApp number and for watching my video and get step by step. So go to the assignment page. Data of the assignment new perspective extra 2019 module 6 and project 1A. Go to the step of the assignment. Step 1 main part of the step. Switch to the cancer center worksheet and freeze the top row of the worksheet. Okay, go to the Excel worksheet and then go View tab and already unfreeze. Okay, next tab, step 2. Sort the data in the center in the cancer center table first in ascending order by the admission field and then in ascending order by the service field. Okay, go back Excel sheet and click anywhere of the table and go data tab and then click sort and first condition is given ascending order by admission field E to Z and then ascending order by service field. Click OK. Next step, step 3. Insert a total row in the cancer center table and then use the total row to calculate the total of the value in the 2021, 2022 and 2023 field. Okay, go back Excel sheet and click anywhere of the table and go table design tab and then use some function of the 2021, 2022 and 2023. Okay. And use some function. Okay, next step, step 4. The administrator overseeing the cancer center is considered mandating that all impedient service name to different from the outpatient service name and want to see which duplicate name to current to in use. Apply conditional formatting rule to the range C4 up to C11 that use the right red field with the correct text for duplicate value. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select the range C4 up to C11. Go home tab and click conditional formatting and select duplicate value and click OK. Okay. And next step, step 5. Switch to the cardiac, cardiac care worksheet. Is the first column of the worksheet. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select the cardiac care worksheet and is the first column. Go view tab and freeze first column. Okay, next step, step 6. Format the range A3 up to F10 as extra table. Use the header using the gold table style, medium 5 table style. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select the range. Go insert tab and create a table and then click OK. And use golden table style medium 5. Okay. And then enter cardiac care as the name of the table. Okay, copy the name and then paste. Next step, step 7. Donnie noticed that the cardiac care table is missing in record. Then the record show in table 1. Okay. Copy the all value and then paste end of the table. Okay. And next step, step 8. Step A, part A, sort the table by the admission field in ascending order. Okay, go back Excel sheet and switch to the maternity worksheet and then go data tab and click subtotal. And then click and then sort by ascending order in admission field. Go data tab and click sort and then click admission field and then click OK and go table design tab and go data tab and click subtotal. And use some function and click OK. Of this assignment complete its step and total step 12, but contact me my WhatsApp number and complete solution of the assignment, and I can help you for all whole semester, Excel whole semester, Word whole semester, PowerPoint whole semester and SS whole semester. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video.